Alright, Sea Life Aquarium today. Led by Legoland. Let's see if we can get in. We are late. I think we're like 3.5 hours late to our reservation. Place looks huge.
Excuse me, do we press the ground or the 1R?
Ground.
Ground? What's 1R?
That's for when you come back up.
Oh, okay.
You paid for a ranger pack?
Yeah, for both of the kids. It was like $20 total for both of them.
Alright, not bad.
And then, I don't know what that is, but they got that.
Alright, mission pack.
Open it up, guys. See what it is.
Alright, here we go. Let's see how this is like. Wow. That's awesome, guys.
We'll do that next time, baby.
Check that out.
We didn't have enough time for
What
both.
an entrance, huh? Wow. Sharkfish Avenue. Wow, this is amazing. Restrooms right there. Schoolroom. Wow. It's like New York City. Look at this. Wow. Stingray.
You want to get up? You can.
Wow. Check that out, guys. Coral City skyline. Wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
These are beautiful fish. What kind of fish are these? Look at them. Let's see. Oh, no wonder they're edible. Bass. Striped bass. Wow. Going uptown. It's amazing. Eel. Wow. That's a beautiful display. Look at this. Catfish. American eel. Wow. Yellow perch. Look at this northern crayfish. Alright, what's in this room?
If you'd like to touch your animals, just
Wow.
be sure to rinse your hands over there
Do
first.
you want to touch the animals?
Or if you'd like to look, that's totally fine too. Nope, none of these animals even have teeth. So they're safe as long as you're gentle. He's really soft. He's like a jellyfish. Jello. That's okay.
It's a starfish right there. You see it? I'm going to rinse my hands and try to touch it.
That guy's a rat sea star. I'm scared. He's blended in with the rock right now.
Oh, it closed around my finger. Wow, it feels just like a rock.
Wash hands. Look at this. Ducks and giants. Look at this jellyfish, big guy.
She got me wet.
Awesome.
Look at those are the real ones, guys, right there.
Jellyfish. Let's go check it out.
Excuse me.
Sorry. That sting me.
Moon jelly.
Look at the jellyfish.
This, huh? These fish. Beautiful.
Look, they have a waterfall.
I see you, big guy.
Oh my gosh, there's a snake right next to you.
There it is.
I'm just now noticing it.
Camouflage.
Look, it's a snake.
It's a boa constructor. That's
How
amazing.
big it is. And your head was right next to it.
Go in there, big guy.
Go in there.
Now what? Look at this display. Wow. This is that turtle.
Oh, look at the turtle.
Oh my God!
Look at
Ninja
him.
turtle, baby.
He's saying hi. Oh, wow, he's swimming right up to you, Jacoby.
All right, let's try this again. I'll go in. Whoa. Oh, man. So tight up in here. There it is. Wow. Look at that snake. I believe that's a boa constructor. It's amazing. This guy's lethal. Hi, big guy. Wow.
Daddy, can I come with you?
Yeah, big guy. Come on. Come on in.
Snake.
Go in. There's a snake right here.
Snake.
Oh my God. Can't get over how huge the snake is. Look at that. It goes all the way there. That's the tail.
Who put that there?
Huge. All right, guys. Let's check out this tunnel. Wow. Beautiful fish. Look at these plants. All right, what's in this part? Wow, it's amazing.
Stingrays.
Wow, look at the stingray. That is beautiful. Stingray's amazing. Nemo Dory. Conservation, symbiotic neighborhoods. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this display. It's amazing. All right, we got a smile station here. I guess we take our photo. All right, guys. All right, just had our photos. Wow, look at that mermaid. Stingray Avenue.
Oh, look at those.
This,
Whoa,
the diamonds.
Look, Jacoby's
Wow.
Go in there.
Whoa, guys. All right, you guys are safe. There's no snakes in this one.
No, there's something in there.
What's
That's
that?
it. What
Oh,
is
there's
that?
an eel.
Eel.
Yeah, it's right
That's
there.
Ursula's pet, right?
Yeah. It's an eel.
It's so cute. Ursula.
Love this display.
Let me go in there again.
Oh.
They keep us clean, and we protect them from hungry predators.
Oh, looks like catfish is over there. My favorite fish.
Go, 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 go. Look
Wow, guys. That is huge.
at it. Oh my goodness. It's like it's coming right up to us. Hi.
That is the best looking
It's
fish
not
I've ever
scared
seen.
of us at
It's
all.
a pretty fish.
Wow. Look, it's like smiling.
Prettiest fish I've ever seen.
Oh, it's so cute.
Wow. That is amazing.
The cute.
It's amazing. So there's a green moray eel in here. Where's the eel? I don't see it.
Look at this.
Wow.
This is so
Dad, look in front of you.
What?
Oh, look, there's a shark back there, Jacoby.
Look at that shark.
Whoa, you see him?
Amazing.
Wait, he'll come back around, I think.
I'm
I'm
scared.
so excited to see a shark. I think that's a shark back there.
Oh, I
There's
see
one.
Oh, I see it. Hey, shark. Hey, shark.
Oh, there's one up there, Jacoby. Look. Look, there's one up there.
Oh, big eel.
Whoa.
Don't you?
Wow. Amazing. Look at that eel, the moray eel.
So he is that
Oh, there he is. Porcupine.
Gosh, I've never
Puffer.
seen one that big before. Do they get bigger than that?
Explains all the scratches on the glass
That's a
here.
full-sized one down
Look
there.
at that porcupine.
I'm not scared of
You
it.
see them when they eat, they try to eat each other's food, so they are so aggressive when they try to
So cute.
Sharks and company. Check out that pearl over there. Pearls.
What was our baby egg?
Neon lights here. Look, they have an orange shirt now.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, what's in this one? This should be. Wow. It's amazing. Ooh, plenty of seating here. Wow. This display. Ooh, Carl's Jr., Stars Jr. That's amazing.
From me.
Wow, look at that shark. Woo, close encounter.
Oh,
There's another one right there.
it's fine.
Deep, this aquarium is all the way back there. Oh,
Oh my god. Look at me. Hey. Oh my god. Put them bottle right here.
wow. We're going to the ocean tunnel. This is amazing. Wow. That is one long fish. What's that, guys? Oh, Empire State Building right here. Look at the school of fish right there.
Look, the Statue of Liberty's over here.
Statue of Liberty. Look, Lady Liberty is over there. Wow. Wow, the hotel right there, Astoria.
Put your hand over in there.
Lady Liberty.
Put your
One
hand.
huge shark.
And the big stingray. I see his face.
Wow.
I see it.
This is amazing. What a view. The Brooklyn Bridge. Lady Liberty with a pearl. That is
Well,
one
look at the
huge
shark behind
shark.
you, Dad. Oh,
There.
there's oh, that was a small one.
Small one. There's no time,
Jacoby. Be patient.
Come over here.
Look, here comes the big shark.
That fish. Exotic. Wow. Okay, what's in this room? Yeah. Alrighty. Oh wow, a play zone. Oh, of course. What's this? This is a gift shop? Play zone. temporarily closed. Next time, guys. Alright, I take it that this is the gift shop. Shark teeth. Wow, what they got over here? They got a boat full of stuffed sea life. Nice. Avengers? Sea Avengers? Oh, look up. Nice magnet here.
We have a shark out.
Look at this pirate hat. Pirate banana hat. Oh, that's the shark side. How much is this? Oh, yeah, $14.95. Bags. Oh, yeah. Alright, close it out.
And we're gonna go to one.
I'm so sorry.
It's on one. What's one on?
That's where we get our picture. I know, but we'll have to do that next time because we didn't buy tickets for that place, baby.
Alright.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, well we gotta get our picture first.
Limited entry.
It's like a magnifying.
G and C.
What does it do?
Alright, so this is 1R. Oh. This is where you buy the photos. QR codes.
So for $27.99, you guys can get 2 photos, one in the portfolio and one in the 8x10 photo. And then so you took $4. $2 photos, present 2 photos, and then 1 magazine print for $31.99. 8x10 for 2 photos, and all series.
Okay, and you only get one photo and all that.
No, you guys can get 2 photos.
Oh, 2 photos.
Yeah, 2 photos of each person. And but if you guys want to do 1-in-1, I mean 2 portfolios, that's also doable. It'll come out the same price.
Okay,
I think 2 of these.
2 of these, yeah.
And 1 of each photo, right? Can we do that?
Yeah, 2 portfolios. And
2 of these portfolios.
And then 1 for
Look, this is the other side is the Lego store. Wow. Are we allowed to go in this side? I think we can. Look at that. We don't know if next time we're going there. Oh, we got some rides here. Lego City rides. Oh, it looks fun. Look at that. We got the boat. Man, Lego Pirates. This is huge. This is the. Look at that. Bricktopia. This is a huge. This is the map. Look at that. Legoland, New York. Look at that. Legoland Hotel. This is huge. We got cars there too.
Daddy.
What does that do? Take a look at that. I don't know, big guy. Looks like just a regular coin. It's a pod. It's a what do you call it? It's a pod. Back in the days, we used to collect those. They're like milk caps. Hey, so we just got our photos and we decided to go in this Lego store next door. Wow. Pick a brick. Look at that Porsche. Porsche 911, Friends, Mickey Minnie, Stranger Things.
Was my first character?
Look at this Legoland. Names? What is this? What's this place? Shang-Chi? What is this? Build a minifigure for... Collector set. This Daily Bugle over here. Like Superman? There it is. Wow. $47.72 pieces. Good one, big guy?
There's any hair?
Any hair? Like none. And that's included.
What's included?
The hair, and there's none
Oh, the
here.
hair. Some nice pencil bags right here.
We need a body with this.
Yeah. Gotta find the rest of the body. Oh, look. Chewbacca. Lego Chewbacca. Lego Yoda and Lego Stormtrooper. 30 bucks. All these cool wallets. What's all these? I have no idea. It's nice though. Ooh, Super Mario.
Or do you want one of those?
You found it? Good job, big guy.
I don't understand how he does it, but he finds good stuff.
Good. Detain. Cookie Monster.
Those are for kids 10 and older. You're only 5.
5?
Yeah, you're not older.
5.
No, those are both for 10-year-olds.
Alright. Sounds good, price. Alright, you just paid. Now, and now till next time. Wow. Hold on. Till next time, Sea Life. Awesome. We gotta ice skate sometime. Alright. I know the people are in. There's a lot of people here.
It's way too cold.
It's really cold over here.
Bring jackets.
I know. No jackets. People got shorts over here.
That goes soup.
Wow. Next time, Nickelodeon Universe. Wow.
All right, get
Pick
up.
one, anyone. Any one of these animals. Great choice, baby. How about you, big guy? What are you gonna ride?
Pick the tiger.
You want a tiger?
Yeah.
Where's the tiger at? Okay, so parents have to supervise while being on the animal. All right.
Okay, so you guys can go from the red wall over there and up to Legoland on this side. To go, you press this button over here. And to stop, you just let go of the button and you put your feet on the ground, okay? You guys got 10 minutes. Be back by 7:50.
Ready, big guy?
Time is $1 a minute, okay?
Let's go, big guy. Ooh.
10 minutes.
We got 10 minutes here. Okay, careful, careful, big guy. Careful, big guy. We're gonna, big guy. Oh no, we hit the trash receptacle. All right, there. All right, careful, big dude. Slow down. Don't hit all these pedestrians. All right, guys. All right. Careful, careful.
I'm the win. You're not the win. I'm a win. I'm a win.
Careful, big guy. Careful.
Snap, right here.
Careful. Alright, our time is almost up. We gotta head back. All
Find
good
a way
things come to
out.
an end. Let's go back.
Stop. You. We have the same one.
Okay.
We have the same tiger.
Okay. Oh, stop.
Schmidt. Right here. Here.
Alright, gotta head back now.
Careful. Alright, we gotta park the lion. Right here. Stop. Whoa.
Win. We just win.
Alright.
How dare you see? We
Good luck,
just had
Austin.
fun. Yeah, we just had fun. To take pictures. Yep.
Bathroom break. Wow. Fancy. Oh, check out the bathroom. It's a nice slot here. Alright, time to handle business. Alright, come on. Let's go. Alright. I love these stand-ups. Oh, use this one, big guy.
What?
It's amazing. There you go.
Is this one towed?
Should be. Alright, back to the parking lot. Thank you, big guy. Alright, I think we parked over here. What is this, garage something? I think Sea Garage? Okay, lot A. This is where you should park if you want to come down to the Sea Life Aquarium. I like that blue lighting right there.